Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And the day above and not under y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang / burp show. Y'all please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Now my daughter said I need to do a mukbang. She said, Mama, you need to do some mukbangs. You ain't done no mukbangs in a while. So I guess I'm gonna have to get back to doing some mukbangs. So I just been burping. But I enjoy doing the burping, y'all. So
tell them that disclaimer. Healthy.
Oh, yeah. Healthier mukbangs. Disclaimer. We're gonna do healthier mukbangs. All right. All right. So I have a bubbly. It's the same grapefruit flavor that I have. So we're gonna drink and see if we can come up with something. You feel me? So I think maybe next week I'll do some mukbangs. So this week, we're just gonna finish out the week with doing some burping videos. Next week we'll get to that.
I'm just saying you can mix and match.
You said mix it up?
Yeah, you can mix and match.
Okay. Well, I guess we just have to figure out a schedule for that. The days. Okay.
If they have any suggestions, down below. You could do like Wing Wednesday.
We didn't get okay.
Thursdays.
Okay, great ideas. So we'll see how that works. Y'all, I've been like these long shenanigans has just had me in a whole different
Attitude.
Yeah, like Eartha Kitt's. Yeah, y'all know.
I should give her some even longer double tips.
Baby, double tips? Oh my word, yes. Yeah. I'm cray, y'all. So y'all know YouTube came out with a lot of new rules and regulations. Well, it's not even YouTube, it's the FCC, COPA. However you want to say COPA, COPA, whatever. So, about the content creators, you know. So, we'll see how it goes. I'm just winging it, because, you know, just gonna see how it goes. What's going on with YouTube. I love YouTube though. It's one of my favorite platforms. That was a good one.
That was pretty good.
Okay. Child, I done had my daughter, she had one of the, she opened it up, wasted it. A friend of mine, Anthony, tried, can I have one? Gave him one, opened it.
You gotta tell them how it tricks them.
What?
Smell. You gotta tell them how bubbly be tricking people with that smell.
Yeah, it smells really good. Like, it really does. It smells like grapefruit. I mean, you open it up, because he was like, I thought it was going to be some like squirt. It was going to taste like squirt, because when he opened it, it smelled, you know, really grapefruity. It smells really good. But y'all, it ain't nothing but water. Sparkling, bubbly water. Don't expect too much. Just, if you like sparkling water, you're going to love these. If you don't, then you ain't.
I think sparkling water is something you have to get accustomed to the taste.
Yeah, and I'm pretty much accustomed to it by now. I done drank enough of these things. He said it tastes like salsa water. Yeah, which it does. Just with a nice grapefruit smell.
It's like a, I don't know how to describe the taste. It got a grapefruit taste, but it's like.
You don't have no damn grapefruit taste.
It's like.
When I tell you, that one wasn't going past my throat. Okay. Oh, I should try to rap. Know it, I can't rap, but I should try to burp rap. Y'all, give me something to rap about, Shoshana. What's that? What that sound like? Oh, I hate when they don't come out like when I want them to. Yesterday I was rocking my natural. Today I'm back in my wig. My hair done grew so much, y'all. They down there. I'm waiting, just like y'all waiting. I'm waiting too. Small little burps. Ooh, I'm gonna need that to come up though. You feel me though? Oh, yeah, I need to come
Get him
up.
out. Get him out, girl. Woo, woo.
She is something else. I'm trying to get it out. It don't want to come out. It just want to sit down there, have my stomach all poking out. So how's y'all Tuesdays? My lips dry and crusty, yo. That is not attractive. Not at all. Ooh, it's coming. Oh.
Yeah, that was probably your biggest burp.
Ooh.
That was so obnoxious.
That was so good. Y'all would not. I can't even describe how that felt. It felt so good because my stomach felt tight. So.
Do y'all like when she described how her burps make her feel?
I said my lips felt dry. So I had to make sure I polished them up. All right, y'all. I'm done with my shenanigans. Y'all know my videos is just about fun. We got enough in our day-to-day lives. We don't need all that. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow.